This is Serbian in 5 minutes. Short, simple lessons where you learn real Serbian, the language people use in everyday life, shaped by culture and real moments. One of the first words that you learn in Serbian is Zdravo. Zdravo means hi or hello. But did you know that this one word is the root of at least 5 more words that you can use in everyday speech? We could almost say it's one word that rules them all. The word zdravo comes from an adjective zdrav, which means healthy. So, in fact, when you say zdravo in Serbian, you actually wish somebody a good health. And an adjective is zdrav for masculine gender or zdrava for feminine gender. But when you say hello, you say it in neutral gender, zdravo. Another very common word with the same root is pozdrav. Pozdrav means greeting. We use it more often in writing than in everyday speech. For example, at the beginning of a message, Pozdrav Marina, hello Marina. So in this case, pozdrav changes zdravo. It's slightly more official in emails or official communication. Or we write it at the end of an email, which is even more common. So we just simply write pozdrav and then your name. It means greetings. It's polite, it's neutral, and very, very commonly used. The verb pozdraviti has the same root. Pozdraviti means to greet somebody. We usually use it in a phrase at the end of a conversation when you talk or you want to talk about somebody who is not there. So you say pozdravi tvoje. Say hello to yours, mainly meaning your family. Pozdravi tvoje. You can use it with a name. You can say pozdravi Anu, pozdravi Milan. As you can notice, the names slightly change. Ana becomes Anu. Milan becomes Milan. Why? Well, because of Serbian cases. So this is accusative case. But we'll leave that for later. Don't worry now, just repeat the phrases. Pozdravi tvoje or pozdravi was the name. Ana, Anu. Feminine name goes to U. Milan, Milana. Masculine name goes to A. The verb ozdraviti, meaning to become healthy or to become healthy again, to recover from something. So when somebody is sick, we tend to say brzo ozdravi. Become healthy soon, quickly. Recover soon, quickly. Brzo ozdravi. And then we have a phrase nazdravlje, a phrase that you'll hear a lot, meaning bless you, or as we say, let it be on health. Na zdravlje, on health. So when somebody sneezes, you say nazdravlje. Maybe the phrase you'll use the most, hajde da nazdravimo, meaning let's make a toast. Hajde da nazdravimo, or shorter, da nazdravimo, from the same root, zdrav. But pay attention, let's make a toast, we say hajde da nazdravimo. But when it's a moment to say cheers, we say živeli. So a different word, different root, živeli. So today we started with a simple word, a word that everybody knows, that everybody uses daily, multiple times, zdravo. And then we discovered what can we do with only that one word that is the root of so many other words. Always try and think like that when you think about the language. So, pozdrav, hvala I vidimo se uskoro.